peace and quiet of this place is fairly spectacular. I think there are very few places in Europe today where you can sit on the terrace, you can watch golden eagles circling above, you can find kingfishers, otters in the river below the farm, below the hotel. At night, you won't see any other lights. There are no roads, there is nothing except the stars to sit out. In a sense, it's a truly romantic location. We greet each guest who arrives, we show them around, we explain what they can find, how everything works, what they can do in the area, what they can do around the hotel. It's a very relaxed place where there is a good level of service, but in a discreet sense. All our local staff have been with us for virtually since we opened. And I think it's, above all, it's relaxing. It's a place where people feel at home. They feel they can walk around, they can go where they like. The same thing applies to the kitchen, which is rather unusual. We have maintained that tradition of the farmhouses where the kitchen was the centre of the universe.
El que todo pase por la cocina da un aliciente mayor, un plus de categoría diferente al local. La gente tiene que pasar por la cocina para ir a los salones, para ir a los jardines, para ir a sus habitaciones. Hace de recepción del propio hotel, no tenemos una recepción como tal, entonces aquí pasa todo. Básicamente está inspirada en el producto, lo más fresco posible, lo más natural posible. Tenerlas en la propia finca es una gran ventaja. Ir a por una lechuga al huerto en cuanto un cliente pide una ensalada puede parecer un poco irreal, pero es así, es cierto.
We love the gardens, flowers are one of our passions. We cut the roses at this time of the year. We turn them into, combining with greenery, we turn them into beautiful flower arrangements. It is the most special region that people become hooked, they become addicted to, even after short visits. They always want to come back.